Hello, I'm Chef Rebecca, Culinary Supervisor with Minneapolis Public Schools Culinary and Wellness Department. During our school closure, maybe you've had the chance to pick up one of our meal kits at one of our 50 distribution sites around the city. Some things are changing after we've considered your feedback, and we've got brand new options available for you in these boxes. Some of these options will need to be reheated. We will be offering instructions in the box, but more videos will come to follow. Without further ado, let's show some of these brand new options. For breakfast, we have waffles and your favorite French toast sticks with a side of fresh fruit. Our lunch options include bagel yogurt packs with bagels, yogurt, cheese stick, and even cream cheese. Everyone's favorite pizza, grilled cheese, sandwiches made in our nutrition center, fresh fruits and vegetables, and instead of 10 milks, we'll be offering 5 milks and 5 juice boxes. You'll be able to find them just like this in your box at your pickup site. We hope to see you there.